Emotional eating comes in all shapes and sizes, and if you are an anxiety eater like me, I am here to tell you that you finding yourself fucking fossicking around in your pantry like a raccoon in heels looking for something to eat to calm your nerves is not a fucking thing. If food calmed your nerves, I would be a walking warm snuggie blanket of chocolate, and that would be me. No warm snuggie. Show me the warm snuggie. Where's my snuggie? Babe, our lives, especially as women, is one walking fucking ball of anxiety like this, shoving itself down your throat all the time. You shoving cheesecake down there at the same time isn't going to shift the ball. You got to move the ball yourself, and that's going to be happening up here.